Question number 1. This is from May 2025 paper. We have a matrix problem. For part A, they want us to find the values of A for which the matrix M is singular. Now for part B, they give us 3 information. Matrix M is non-singular. Determinant M is equals to negative 108. And A is negative. From there, they want us to find the inverse matrix for M. Let's first begin with part A. Okay. When they say that matrix M is singular, that means determinant of M is equal to 0. How do you find determinant for a 3 by 3 matrix? We'll begin. The first step would be to write plus, minus, plus to our first row. And let's write that. Let's write that here. So we have plus 3, give it a bit of space. Minus 6, give it a bit of space. Plus 0. Okay. Now let's start with 3. So what we're going to do is, okay, so this is our 3. We will close its column and we will close its row. So what's left is this matrix 2 by 2. So that is what we have to find here. The determinant for this 2 by 2 matrix. 3, 1, A. We'll do the same thing for 6, okay? So here is our negative 6. We will close its column, we'll close its row. So we're left with A1 to A. Make sure you follow the order and the arrangement. Here for 0, this is the cell. We're going to close its column, we're going to close its row, and we're left with this matrix. So here we have A3 to A equal to 0. Okay. Now that we have this, we can proceed with our computation. So here the coefficient would be 3, and then we'll compute our determinant. How do we compute determinant for 2 by 2? We'll multiply this diagonal first, and I will minus with this diagonal. So it would be 3A minus A. Next, here it will be negative 6. And now let's compute our 2 by 2 determinant. Multiply this diagonal minus with this diagonal. So it will be A squared minus 2. Now for the last part, anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. So we can simply skip that and make the equation equate to 0. Let's expand and simplify our equation. We'll have 9A minus 3A. Oh wait, actually we can simply compute this. 3A minus A is 2A. So 2A multiplied by 3 is 6A. Minus 6A squared plus 12 equal to 0. Let's rearrange. So we'll have negative 6A squared plus 6A plus 12. To simplify this, we can divide all of this by negative 6. Okay. And we will get A squared minus A minus 2 equal to 0. Now what we have to do is we have to find out our A values. Okay, we can use our calculator. Go to equation and function, and then go to polynomial degree 2 because this is quadratic. Coefficient of A squared is 1. Coefficients of A is negative 1. And coefficient for and the constant is negative 2. Our first answer is 2. So let's skip a bit. Okay, let's skip a bit. A is equals to 2. Now, our second answer is A is equals to -1. Why do we have a bit of space here? Because we want to show our working. We'll work our way up. So what we're going to do is we're going to rearrange our answer A such that it will equate to 0. So here will be A minus 2 equal to 0. And here it will be A plus 1 equal to 0. These two are our factors. Okay. So that would be here. A minus 2, our first factor. A plus 1, our second factor. Make it equal to 0. By showing our working, we can ensure that we got all of the necessity marks. We're done with part A. Moving on to part B. Okay, now we know that our determinant is equals to -108. So what we can do is we can start from here. Okay, determinant of M is equal to -108 instead of 0. So we'll take from this 6a minus 6a squared plus 12 is equals to -108. Okay. There we go. So let's rearrange and simplify our quadratic. Okay, -6a squared plus 6a. Okay, here we have menu 1. Okay, we'll go back here. 12 plus 108 because we bring -108 to the left hand side. So it will become 120 equal to 0. We'll do the same thing. Okay, we will divide all of this by -6. So here would be a squared minus 8. 120 divided by -6. We will get -20 equal to 0. We'll do exactly like what we did before this. Okay. Equation and function, polynomial, degree 2. Here is 1. Here is -1. And our constant is -20. Our first answer is A equals to 5. And our second answer is A equals to -4. We'll work our way up. Okay, just like what we did before this. We'll rearrange our equation such that it equates to 0. So here we have A minus 5 equal to 0. And this one will get A plus 4 equal to 0. These two are our factors. And then we can write it here. A minus 5, our first factor. Second one would be A plus 4 equal to 0. Done. Next, let's take a look. Second, okay, this point, A must be less than 0. So this one would be rejected. Why? Because A is more than 0. That is a positive number. So the A value that we'll take is this. Next, what we will do is we will rewrite our M. Okay. What is our M? Our M would be 3. 6. Okay, it would be 360 -4 3 1 2 -4 -4. Now because of this, for this question, right, all okay, all of the elements in our matrix are numbers, we can simply use our calculator to find its inverse. Go to menu and then go to matrix. Okay, we want to define the first matrix, matrix A. 3 rows and 3 columns. Let's start fill in the blanks. 3, 6, 0, negative 4, 3, 1, 2, negative 4, negative 4. Done. Now what we're going to do is going to press AC. We're going to go out and we can see matrix. Press option OPTN button and then go to matrix H, option number 3. And then just press here X negative 1 such that we can see that one. With that, we can straight away get our inverse matrix. Okay, I'm just going to bring my working up here. Okay, in exam, they want us to give exact values. So what we're going to do is, we're going to write the value. The first element would be 2 over 27. Do not write the decimal number. Let's go to the next one. Negative 2 over 9. Next, negative 1 over 18. Next, 7 over 54. Next, 1 over 9. Next, 1 over 36. Next, negative 5 over 54. Next, negative 2 over 9. Lastly, negative 11 over 36. Okay. So this is our inverse matrix. Okay, with that, we are done with our first question. We have our A values. And we also have our inverse matrix.